Hi guys, in this video we discuss about nested if statements in Python. See, you can have if statement inside if statements. This is called a nested if statement. I will write this definition. If statement, if statement inside if statement, inside if statement. This is called as nested Python. See, see, simple concept. Nested if statement. You can have if statements. You can have if statements inside if statement. This is called as nested if statement method. I'll show you example you can understand easily. This concept is simple. Think if I'm giving x equals to, okay, just a small example. Let's take, I'm giving a equals to 10, b equals to 5, c equals to 50. You want to check whether let us write the program. Can you understand easily? Let's write another program called, let us write some program. So I'm giving a equals to 40. Okay. If x is greater than 10, listen carefully. Simple example. If x is greater than 10, then print hello. Next, I'm using another if condition if x greater than 20. Print hello Python. Hello Python. Next, else print else by. Let us run the program. What you can see here, you will get hello. Run program. Let us see what hello Python program will get here. This is widely used in Python programming when X is not defined or X. In Python programming, identifying error is very important. Hello, Python program. See, hello, Python program. Think to understand the concept means nested if means you are using here if statement. Inside if statement, I'm using once again if statement. We're using if statements inside the if statement that is called as nested if statement. I think you understand the logic. If you like this video, please subscribe, please share to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.